During these uncertain times, many students will be studying from home in an environment that they may not be used to studying in. Adjusting to online learning can be challenging, but having a designated study space can be helpful for decreasing distractions and increasing productivity. Here are some quick tips for successfully setting up your space. Tip number 1, do not choose your bed as a study space. Your brain associates your bed with sleep, and you may have difficulty feeling alert while you're trying to focus on your work. So it's better to choose somewhere in your home where you can sit upright, in a chair. Now, if you don't have a desk, then your kitchen or dining room table can work just as well. And if you do have to study in your room, then try sitting on some pillows on the floor with your bed or the wall as a backrest. Really try to make the most of your environment, even if that means being a little creative with where you decide to study. Just try your best to make sure it's comfortable, and to help with that, you can assess the setup of your study space with the Computer Ergonomics Guide from the Ontario Ministry of Labour, linked in the description below. Small changes can sometimes make a really big difference in your comfort and productivity. Tip number 2, make sure your study space is well lit. Good lighting helps your brain to know that it's time to be awake. Dimly lit rooms can make you feel sluggish and can cause you to have more difficulty concentrating. If there isn't a lot of natural light, or if the overhead light just isn't cutting it, consider using a table lamp to help brighten things up a bit. Tip number 3, ensure your study space is well equipped with everything you'll need, such as pens, pencils, paper, a water bottle, and some healthy snacks. Getting these things set up beforehand can decrease how many times you're going to have to get up in order to go get something, which can definitely help you to stay put and stay productive for longer periods of time. Tip number 4, if there are other people in your home, try to choose the most quiet study space you can find, which I understand is sometimes easier said than done. If you're able to, try closing the door or even listening to some study music to help minimize the noise levels. Sometimes you may not be able to control what's going on inside your home and how that affects your ability to study, but remember, you can always book an appointment with a learning strategist who can talk to you about your unique situation and help you to brainstorm some different options of how and where you can study while others are around. So, which steps will you take in order to ensure your study space is all set to go? I encourage you to take a look around your home and figure out what you can do to set up your space to help you ace all of your courses this semester. Happy studying!